Hey everyone, look where I am, back in my favorite place. I'm back in the lungs of Mother Earth on one of my very, very favorite trails. And I'll show it to you. Here it is right behind me. Isn't that just gorgeous? And I want you to walk with me down this trail for a moment because I want to offer you something, an alternative to feeling like you have to try to be mindful, that you have to try to be present, that you have to meditate, for 5-10 minutes, an hour a day. And, being a mindfulness teacher, I do see the power of that and the healing, bit of sunshine properties in that. Absolutely, to become mindful. It really is. To become present to your life is really the goal of the whole thing. But the trying energy that gets in the way of that just makes you feel like crap because you're never doing it properly. Your mind is never quiet. It's not supposed to be. But let me give you an alternative. When we start to embody in our walk the presence of the archetype of the lioness, the embodiment of the lioness, little by little, you will naturally become meditative. You will naturally become present, and in that presence you will find your power. So in your step, do you walk on the ball of your foot and then do you roll onto the front? Are your senses alert and awake? Can you feel your limbs and the power of your limbs as you're walking? Are you aware of sounds, of smells? Are you breathing fully? Because the lioness walks with pride, she walks with power, and she walks with presence. She's not trying, she simply is. She's not scurrying like a mouse because she's not the mouse, she's the cat. And she will become alert and she will change her movements if and only if there's a threat or there's something to move towards that she's hunting for. This is the beauty. Other than that, she's powerful, she's restful, she's playful and awake. These are all the elements that you've been trying to get to through meditation. And this is what we're up to in Lioness training. If that ignites something in you, join me for our next round. Powerful, so much easier than that trying energy. That will drain you. This will empower you. Lots of love.